Hi, today you're going to learn how to get backlinks in 2020. In fact, the 7 strategies I'm going to share with you have helped one of my clients to rack up more than 100K links. I am Raj Pavi, creator of AI Insider, an artificial intelligence powered SEO tool. AI Insider helps you to outrank any competitors. Yes, I mean any. You don't believe me, right? Well, check out our explainer video. You will be very happy. Please consider subscribing. I make a video every day. This is a 2-part video series. Tomorrow I will upload the second part. Number 1, become source for reporters and bloggers, HARO. If you want to rank on the first page of Google, you need to build backlinks from high authority news sites and blogs. I am talking about white hat backlinks from authority news sites and blogs. Fortunately, this isn't that hard as it sounds. All you need to do is use a free service called HARO. HARO is like Tinder for public relations. It connects people that need sources, bloggers, and journalists to people that want links and exposure, and have personally used HARO to build white hat backlinks from mega news sites. To be clear, this strategy takes work, and it is not always easy. But in my experience, it's one of the best ways to build high quality backlinks at scale. With that, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, register as a source. Next, choose a free or paid plan. Then keep an eye out for requests that you can contribute to. Finally, send the journalist a very brief and valuable pitch. For example, a while back, I saw a request for someone asking, what is the difference between graphic design and web design? You submit an article emailed answering the question. You will get a reference link to your site as a contributor. Not too shabby, right? And if you thought HARO was good, wait until you see our next strategy. Strategy number 2, publish Skyscraper content. You can use Skyscraper content to build backlinks from authority sites like Entrepreneur and HubSpot. Here is the step-by-step process. First, find a piece of content in your industry that's already performing well in terms of links. The easiest way to do is a simple Google search. Just search for your keyword and check out the first page results. As you know, backlinks are super important for Google ranking. So if a piece of content is ranking on the first page of Google and people have properly linked to it, that is step number 1. Next, create a piece of content that's 5 into 10x better than what you have just found. Create something that is 10x better. Was this piece of content easy to make? Heck no. Finally, promote your Skyscraper content. This is key. Yes, a piece of Skyscraper content already puts you way ahead of your competitors. But to get the most of your content, you need to actively promote it. Now, that's tough. Now there are millions of ways to promote your content. So let me show you one quick strategy that works great. Promote to people that you mention in your post. They will promote your posts very happily. Strategy number 3, build links from outdated resources using the moving man method. Number 1, your first step is to find sites on your industry that have changed names, moved to a new URL, or stopped offering a service, stopped updating a resources, shut down. How about an example? A while back, SEO Moz changed their name to Moz and moved their site from SEOmoz.org to Moz.com. After I heard the news, I realized that this was perfect opportunity to reach out to the hundreds of people still thinking the outdated SEO Moz URLs. Our second step is to find sites still ranking at the old tracked URL. This step is important. Now that you have found a site recently, rebrand or a site feature that's no longer, it's time to find out the link pointing to that page. Just grab the URL of the outdated resources and put it in your backlink checking tool of choice. I'm using Ahrefs in this example, but there are lots of link building tools that you can use to do the same thing. Then check out all the sites that's linked to the old URLs. Depending on the site, you should have quite few link opportunities to work with. Either way, you want to focus on sites that have the highest domain authority or DA. Then move on to step number 3. Step number 3, last step, reach out and get your links. Your last step is to reach out to all of the people that is still linking to the old data resources. You want to give them a quick heads up about the outdated link and gently suggest that they add your link to their site. And because I added value to their site twice, one from the heads up and about their outdated link, and again by showing them my valuable resource, people were more than happy to add my link to their page. That's all there to it. Number 4, use content format proven to generate links. BuzzSumo recently did a study of 1 million blog posts and articles. So what did they find? They discovered that most content is completely ignored. In fact, they found that 75% of all online content gets 0 links. Yes, that's 0. That's the bad news. Now, the good news is they found certain types of content performing great. Specifically, they discovered that the following content formats tended to generate lots of backlinks. In other words, if you want to get backlinks, focus on these content formats. Number 1, list post. 2, quizzes, why post, have to posts, infographic, and videos. This shouldn't come as a surprise. The BuzzSumo study for that list post outperformed every other content format that they looked at. In fact, the authors of the study conclude that list posts appeared to perform consistent well as a content format terms of bot shares and links. Am I saying just publish a bunch of infographic and list posts? Of course not. If you want to get backlinks today, your content has to be amazing. But these formats give you a starting point for writing amazing content that actually works. That's all for today. I will have the next 5 strategies tomorrow. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and share with your friends. And you have a great day. Thank you so much.